Hello guys and good morning. Today we are getting ready to go to breakfast right now and it is matching dresses day. She does not have hers on, but I have mine on and Candace will have hers on and then she will have hers on. But yeah, we're just getting ready. I brushed my teeth and now Harper's brushing her teeth and I'm just brushing my hair. I will say my sunburn on my scalp literally hurts so bad to brush over it. It hurts a lot. Like I've never really had a bad sunburn on my scalp, but this one hurts. Also, I haven't really been burnt on my shoulders yet so far this summer. So those kind of hurt, like when I lift my arms and stuff. Okay, here's Harper's toy that she got yesterday.
Chomp chomp. I brush Chomp Chomp's teeth only when my toothpaste isn't on it.
Just use your toothbrush?
Yeah. This is my toothbrush. It's nice and clean right now in his tongue. So I'm gonna get me ready and Chomp Chomp ready.
Okay, I'm ready now. I don't know what else to do. I'm bringing a hair tie, but for now I'm not gonna put my hair up. I don't really know what we're doing after breakfast. I don't know if we're coming back here. I don't know if we're just like staying out for a while. I am unsure, but I'm ready. Hey guys, we went to breakfast and then we just went back and chilled at the house for a while. And now we're actually out and about shopping because today is get your souvenirs in your Marco Island merch day. So we at like this little miniature shopping center and we're gonna see what we can find. Okay guys, I'm so sorry, but I did not really vlog today because like the shopping was just like not great and I was super tired, but I did find two things. First I'm going to show you guys the jean shorts though that I got like a couple vlogs back. It's this Hidden brand. I got a small and these are the Riley style and they're a little bit longer than the ones I have now so I could actually like wear them more places. Okay, then I got this quarter zip sweatshirt. It just says Marco's Island in the corner. This is a, what is this? A medium? And I forgot what store this was, but I got that. And then at Alvin's Island, I saw this like when we first walked in a couple days ago, and I knew I'd probably get it, and I did. I just think the blue is so cute. I also got this in a medium. No, I got this in a small actually.
Potty.
But look, okay, go potty. I just think it's so cute and it's so squishy and soft. I love it. So yeah, and now it's dinner time, but Dad and Candace are going on a dinner date, so it's like fend for yourself, not usually, but I couldn't figure out anything that I wanted, so I just went ahead and ordered myself a pizza from the place that we went the first night because it was so good, and then I can also eat on it tomorrow and Thursday, and yeah, I'm excited to eat it, but me and Candace are gonna go pick it up, come back here, and then they'll leave, and then me and Harper are gonna do a house tour for y'all because we haven't done that yet. All right, y'all, here is my Sammy's pizza. Oh, and I've already eaten some. They were standing outside whenever me and Candace got back, Dad and Harper were, and I was just like, I literally have a fresh pizza in my hand. Oh, do I have pizza on my face? I hope not. I literally have a fresh pizza in my hand. Like, how could I not take a bite? Anyways, I got a cauliflower crust with well, let's see here, black olives, mushrooms, jalapenos, ham, pepperoni, and then I added ricotta because that is my favorite thing on a pizza. Anyways, I just decided to come out here and eat because it was just a peaceful place to vlog, and then I brought out my computer and I was like, did I? Oh, I forgot to grab my computer. Well, I planned on grabbing my computer and I was just gonna chill out here and eat my food by myself and enjoy a nice YouTube video because I haven't really watched any on this trip and I miss it. If you're ever in Marco's Island, you have to get a pizza here or just go there and support Sammy's Bar and Grill. I think it's like the full name. So good. Get a pizza. If you want a cauliflower crust, get a cauliflower crust because this is the best one I've had. It's so good. I literally wish I had more stomach capacity to eat more of this pizza, but I could really only stomach like 2 pieces at a time. I just thought I should have got a Diet Dr. Pepper at the store. That would have been so good. Like a nice crisp, bubbly drink with the pizza. Nothing better. Quick little update on my homework though. I finished one, so I have 4 chapters due. And I finished one and I'm starting on the other one. So that's something. Alright y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and give you the house tour by myself. let's do this. All right, here's the front door. So you turn and you walk in and here you are. This is the living room. Over here we have the dining room. And you come over here, we have our extra bedroom that me and Harper slept in once. I did not sleep very good in here, so I decided we're not gonna sleep in here again. But you leave this room and you come over here, and here's the master bedroom. Here that is. They have a giant bed and their closet, and then here's their bathroom. Hello, I'm your tour guide. Nice to see you. So then leaving their room, like I said, we have like the living area. Then we have like the little breakfast nook area. And then here's the kitchen that connects to the dining room. Connected to the kitchen, we have over here my grandma's room, her TV's on. And then we have the laundry room, and then me and Harper's room that we mainly stay in. We have our beds. This one's mine, this one's hers. Are messy. Literally everything I've shown you is messy, so not even gonna bother. And here's our bathroom where I've done much of my recording in. Hello, Megan. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I like it. It's definitely not the like, I think it looks old just because of like the decorations that they have. I feel like if they stepped up their decorations and stuff and like maybe like repainted and everything, it would look a little like, I don't know, newer, nicer. But it's a really great house and the beds are pretty comfy. Well, our twin beds, not that bed. What's up, Low Gang? Just kidding. We just got ice cream again, and I am so happy. Oh, you need some water? Mm-hmm. Let's watch you chug some water.
Yeah.
Why are you so serious? Okay. Hello guys. I imagine this video is probably pretty short, and I'm sorry about that. But if it's not pretty short, then yay. Or if you enjoy the length, yay. I have no idea what it's gonna turn out like. Sorry, but yeah. Now we're going to bed. We played games. We played Ligretto again. I love Ligretto so much. But anyways, we're gonna go to bed now because we have to get up super early for a boat tour, and then after that we're gonna go to the beach, so that should be fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.